What to do and how to fix if your emails stopped coming through on your iPhone. Let's get started and let's explain the possible scenarios one by one. If you are first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more so you don't miss videos like this one. Essentially, just start with the Mail app settings by going to the main settings app, tap on apps at the bottom and just locate at the Mail. Right, I'm gonna assume you are using the one from Apple, but we can get inside and see some different things. For example, if your emails stopped coming through, that might mean that you are not getting the notifications anymore. So pay attention to the notification status, make sure that they appear exactly that you want, and most importantly, that it's all turned on. Also, if you're using the cellular data, especially if you are on the go, make sure that the cellular data works for the Mail app, because if you turn it off, it might mean that you will only be able to use your emails when you are on Wi-Fi. And if you're not connected to Wi-Fi, then you will not, or you will lose access to your emails. That's really important as well, right? And more things which you can change in here, but I also want you to click on Mail accounts and let's see the Fetch New Data option. When you click there, you want to make sure that the push is enabled, meaning that new data will be pushed to your iPhone from the server when possible. As you can tell, when you turn it off, your emails will not be updated as often. And obviously, we don't want that. We want to make sure that we receive our emails and get them as soon as possible. And also there is the fetch section at the bottom. So this schedule below is used when push is turned off. So in our case, it doesn't really apply because, push means that it will be updated, that your mails will be updated whenever possible. But if you turn off push, you have this section below, and it's possible that, for example, you only refresh the emails manually, right, or hourly. So you don't want to keep that. As I said, a push is probably the best way to do it. So let me know if anything changed. Let me know if it helped you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.